Hello everyone, welcome to Larry's math class. Today we're going to learn about a speed, time, and distance problem. Dad drives 15 miles at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. How many additional miles will he have to drive at 55 miles per hour to average 50 miles per hour for the entire trip?
It's very confusing. 55 average, 50. Okay.
So
sounds difficult.
First, let's draw it out. First, let's write down the information the problem told us.
Okay.
The most important thing is the equation distance equals times speed.
Okay.
So now we can plug it in. We know the first section, Dad drives 15 miles at a speed of 30 miles per hour.
Okay.
So 15 equals time times 30.
Yes.
So we know that time is 0.5.
Yes, half an hour. 0.5. Yes. That's easy. So that's the answer?
No.
Okay.
0.5 is the time we used for the first section of the trip.
Okay.
And
that's clear.
Now, the second, we only know that he drove at 55 miles per hour.
For the second part.
But we don't know the distance and the speed.
Yeah.
And the time.
Then we cannot solve it. We only know one thing.
So we can draw a diagram.
Okay.
First, this is the first section. 15 miles. And then the second section, this is time is 0.5. This
Speed.
is 30 per hour.
Right.
So the second, we only know that
Speed.
the speed is 55 miles per hour. And we don't know the time, and we don't know the distance.
True. Then we are stuck. How do we solve it?
Then let's combine these into one big section. So we know this is 15 miles, and we don't know this.
Write it. Yeah. 15. We don't know the second part. Yeah.
And now we know this.
Any more conditions or information?
It also tells us that when we drive this amount of times in 55 miles per hour, you can average 50 miles per hour for the entire trip.
Oh, okay.
So the entire trip, the speed is 50.
The entire trip, okay.
Miles per hour.
That's true.
So we make an equation. We want to find out an equation for the total of the whole trip. Speed. If we want to find out the whole, we know that time times speed is distance. So the second part is 55 times t. We'll just say this is t, a variable.
Write it.
55t plus 15
Is what?
is the total distance.
Okay.
And we also have another equation for it, which is we know that the whole speed is 50, so it would just be 50 times 0.5 plus t,
Which
is the total time times the total speed. So 50
minus 50
equals 50 0.5 plus t So now this we can just solve t, because t is the time, and then we can solve 50. First, let's solve this. $50 times 0.5 is 25, plus t times 50 is just 50t, and then we move 25 here and 15 here. 15 here and 50t here. 55t minus 50t equals 25 minus 15. So 5t, it's t equals 10. So t will equal 2. So now we know the time of the second section is 2 hours.
Okay.
So now
it's easy.
It asks us how many additional miles. So that means how many miles is in the second section.
Sure.
So we can just do this by 55 times 2, which is 110.
Ah.
So the answer is 110
Okay.
miles.
Now we know how to solve this. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Any summary?
So this problem requires, first it's all the equations, also it needs the graphing, and you also need to be clear on your mind of all the information and use them all.
Use them all. Okay. Which is the most difficult part of this problem?
Well, it's probably just starting and finding how to make the equation.
Which equation? Can you point it out? The last one.
Yeah.
That's the most important. The total trip.
Thanks for watching. Make math fun or not, the choice is always yours.